Ladies and gentlemen, the font in your designs can make all the difference. Today I'm going to show you how to import and add fonts into Figma. So let's check it out. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is jump into figma.com/downloads. You'll actually get over to this page over here. And make sure that you are logged in on the top right hand side, and you will see this font installers, right? So this is a desktop app that includes a font installer. So of course you have to click on the appropriate installer. I'm using Windows, so this is what it looks like, and you're going to click on the actual exe file that has been downloaded to your device. Over here, the Figma agent setup, you will have to just click on install, and within a few seconds it will be installed. We can now go ahead and say close. Now essentially what's going to happen is you can get fonts from anywhere that you normally get fonts from. Now I use the font, and sometimes I use 1001 fonts, 1001 fonts. So let's have a look here. So this is Awesome Snowflakes. Let's click on download on the right hand side, and you can see now it has downloaded. What we're going to do is we are going to open the actual font on our system. We're going to now just say extract all. Here you can see it is, and let's just open these files. All right, here are our files. So now we have to go over to this open type font file. Okay, let's double click on it, and you'll see this window will pop up, and you'll have to just click on install. This will essentially install this onto your computer, onto your device. Okay, so we're done here. We're going to go, let's close this. Let's jump back into our browser. We need to go now back into Figma. And if you're using the desktop app, you'll need to exit the app and open it up again. You need to restart it. So I'm just refreshing this page so the changes that I made can take effect. We're going to go now. I've got my font, and on the right hand side I've got my font over here. I can choose what font I'm going to use, and there she is. Awesome Snowflakes.